a sleek montage of the Razer Blade 18 from different angles, showcasing its elegant design and powerful features. Welcome to our deep dive into the world of gaming laptops, where power meets portability in the form of the Razer Blade 18. In this video, we'll explore the ins and outs of this cutting-edge device, from its stunning design to its impressive performance. The Razer Blade 18 is a testament to Razer's commitment to sleek aesthetics and premium build quality. With its aluminum unibody construction and iconic Razer logo glowing on the lid, it's a device that exudes sophistication. Featuring a stunning 18-inch display with a high refresh rate and vibrant colors, the Razer Blade 18 delivers an immersive gaming experience like no other. Whether you're battling foes in the latest AA titles or diving into the world of content creation, this display won't disappoint.
Multiple Thunderbolt for ports, HDMI 2.1, USB-A, USB-C, and Ethernet ports. Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.2. Battery life, 91.7 Wh battery. Approximately 6 to 7 hours of mixed usage. Audio. THX Spatial Audio 6-speaker array with a subwoofer for immersive sound. Cooling. Effective cooling system keeps temperatures in check during heavy usage. Audio. High-quality audio setup provides an immersive experience. High-performance gaming. The Razer Blade 18 handles AAA titles at ultra settings effortlessly, providing smooth frame rates and detailed graphics. Games like Cyberpunk 2077, Red Dead Redemption 2, and Call of Duty Warzone run exceptionally well, showcasing the laptop's power. Competitive gaming, the high refresh rate and low response time of the display make it ideal for competitive gaming. Games like Valorant, CS, GO, and Fortnite benefit from the fluid motion and quick response times, providing a competitive advantage. The Razer Blade 18 stands out as a powerhouse in the gaming laptop market. It combines cutting-edge hardware with a premium design, making it suitable for gamers and professionals who need robust performance. However, its high price and size might deter some users. For those who can afford it and need the power, it's a top-tier option.